Hello everybody, I'm back. We're making peanut butter bars today. Honestly, I don't make Half-Baked Harvest stuff a ton, but I am obsessed with like watching her Instagram. So, and I have her books. So today we're in this book, which is called Every Day. It's like the healthier ones. And we're gonna make this, probably the most unhealthy recipe in the book, called Old School Peanut Butter Bars. It calls for all like healthier versions of the ingredients, like coconut oil. We don't have coconut oil. They're gluten-free. Let's make them. I also chose this recipe because it's very quick and easy. So first step is get your 8x8 baking dish with parchment paper. Okay. The pan has been lined. That is honestly my least favorite part of cooking. I hate lining pans. I don't know why. Oh, another note, it's supposed to be creamy peanut butter, but I only like chunky. So that's what we got. Vanilla. It is now golden brown, which is when they said to take it out. We're gonna make the chocolate ganache. Okay, goodbye. When it cut, it felt softer than I was expecting. I kind of thought it would be hard, but I don't think there's any way this can be bad, to be honest. It's definitely good. It's not mind-blowing. I can just definitely taste the almond flour. I think it's good. Not my favorite thing that I've ever eaten, but probably won't make them again. I give it like a 6 out of 10. Anyways, I'll still eat these. But that's all. Hope you guys have a great week. Bye.